Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: a fresh CR2032 battery and a clean surface. Place the air tag face down on the cloth and press the stainless steel back with one hand. Once pressed, rotate the cover counterclockwise roughly 1/4 turn until it stops. This unlocks the casing. Lift the cover straight up to expose the old cell, and keep the cover and gasket aligned to avoid losing small parts. Make sure to observe the battery's orientation before removal. That prevents mistakes later. Once the cover is off, pry the old battery out with a fingertip or small non-metal tool to avoid shorting. Observe the contact spring and avoid deforming it. The metal tab must touch the battery edge. Insert the new CR2032 with the plus sign facing up so it contacts the spring properly. Lower the cover, align the 3 tabs with their slots, and press down while rotating clockwise until it clicks and seats flush. This secures the seal and restores electrical contact. To finish, bring the air tag near your iPhone and tap it in the devices list. You should hear the chirp. If nothing happens, remove and reseat the battery and cover. Double-check that the plus side faces up, and ensure the contacts are clean and undamaged. Make sure Bluetooth and Find My are enabled on your device. If problems persist, try another new CR2032. Sometimes a dead cell slipped through quality checks, and dispose of the old battery according to local rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.